friends, that is what like the blind feels. Today we will learn about the story entitled Jesus Heals a Man Born Blind. One day, Jesus and his friend came walking by, and they saw a man who was staying near. He had been blind from birth. So his disciple turned to Jesus and said,
Jesus, kita may nakasala. Nga tao man siya napunta. Siya ba o yung ginika?
Ang iyang pagkapunta dili tungod siyang sala o siyang ginikana. Natao lang siya mabuta aron makita niyang gaw sa Ginoo kaniya.
Then Jesus spat on the ground, spit and picked a handful of mud, and placed it on the blind man's eyes. Then he said,
Tataw, pangilamos dito sa tubig sa Siloam.
So Jesus' friend helped the man find a pool. The man leant over the water, scooped and cleaned the mud off his eyes, and he opened his eyes. He cleaned off the mud off his eyes, and he opened his eyes. Suddenly, he could see. He looked around at everything. He looked at his hands, his feet, his fingers, the sky, and at the ground, and at the people around. The man was so amazed, and everyone was amazed too. Then some local people walked towards him and said,
Oo, baling mo nga tao. Oo, ako katong buta. Sa may pagkita mo.
Natigil ba? Ay, naya si Clark. Ala, Joy, nagkinatan awan.
Kabalo. Sir, ang buta ko, apang pero nakita kami ko. Dili mo na nila ha?
When Jesus heard what had happened, he went and found the man.
Ito ka masama sa tao. Kita nakasito.
Oy, naka-video.
Dili na ba ni Joe ang ato ang
Nakasiyaw siya mo kasi ito.
atong oras na para batay seconds tuan.
May nakabigyo.
Ayaw tanaw sa iyong katabi. Para dili ka magkuhan. Sige, go.
Sige ko.
Ayaw, please.
Ito ko ako Ginoo.
Jesus healed the blind man, not just to restore sight, but to reveal that Jesus is the light of the world. Their miracles show that in Jesus brings physical and spiritual sight.